Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. Please forgive, I'm sure my voice is real nasal and I'm going to be such a mouth breather. I've been so sick. Like I thought I got over the cold, but apparently I didn't. Anyway, welcome back to the makeup community. My name's Chris. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for checking us out. I hope you stick around and hit that subscribe button because we really want to grow the makeup community to be a really fun, positive, safe place to talk about all things makeup. So you're going to notice in my voice and in my hands that I have tremors, and that is called Parkinson's syndrome, which is defined as genetic early onset Parkinson's, and that was part of the reason why I started the channel. Is I've always loved makeup. I've just had to kind of adapt things as my tremors go on, and I wanted to show just because you have some special considerations or challenges does not mean you have to give up what you know and love. So I have actually gotten quite a few requests as far as what my skincare routine is, and questions about, you know, what toner do you use, what's your favorite face wash, things like that. So I am going to do a face care video. I'm a little embarrassed because some of this stuff is admittedly very bougie. And I'm not saying that you have to spend that much money. There are good dupes at the drugstore. I do use a lot of drugstore products in my everyday routine. Everybody's skin is different. So the biggest thing is to play around with different products, different ingredients, and find what works for you. If you go to Sephora, they will give you a little trial size of any product. You can talk to them and, you know, talk about the different items. Also look up things, a lot of dermatology, you know, like blogs, websites, stuff like that will kind of tell you also where to go. Now, I have combination skin. I get oily T-zone, dry on my cheeks, and I do get clogged pores. So this is just after a long time of trying to figure out what's good for me is what I use right here. Okay, so I'm going to go through this. I'm going to do the night routine first, and then I will go into the day routine. So my night routine always starts with eyes. Now, I use the Too Faced Mascara Melt Off. This is the coolest thing. It is a mascara wand with oil on the end of it, and you put it on your lashes and let it sit for about 10 minutes and wipe it off, and it takes off your mascara, and that way you're not getting the oil all the way around your eyes, but it gets off waterproof mascara beautifully. And I use waterproof mascara even when I'm using, you know, let's say it's Superhero mascara or the Milk Kush mascara that's not waterproof. I will actually put waterproof Full and Soft by Maybelline over it to kind of seal it in because my eyes water a lot. Then I use the Sephora eye makeup remover here. It's a dual phase, so you shake it up. And I use that to take off the rest of my eye makeup and my brows. Now, I do the dual cleansing. I take off my makeup and then cleanse my skin. If I'm in a hurry, I will just use my trusty little makeup wipes, Neutrogena makeup wipes. Neutrogena is great with the makeup wipes. Clinique makes some really good ones. Simple makes some really good ones. The only ones that I have got to say, please do not try, are the Walgreens brand. They are so fragranced. They smell like perfume, and I couldn't even use them just to wipe off where I do swatches on my hand. It was that perfumed, and I don't mind fragrances. So the Walmart brand, the Equate, those work very well. Target brand work very well. I think those are the only two like generics that I can definitely say for sure work well, but definitely not the Walgreens. Now I will use the, thank you to my sister, the Tatcha oil cleansing, the Camilla cleansing oil. This is really, really good. If I'm not in a hurry, you know, I put some of this. It takes off all my makeup on my face. Since I have a problem with clogged pores, I love using this. It's not going to like soak oils into your pores or anything, but it is going to take your makeup off. Now, this is bougie, but you only have to use a pea size of this. This is the Mer Cleansing Foam. Now, this is the like travel size. It's $25 for the travel size, but it lasts forever because literally a pea-sized amount of this foams up my entire face and neck. And the reason why I switched to this one, I was on the lookout for a new moisturizing cleanser, one that would take my makeup off but would not strip my face. And that's when my face, you know, started changing. So, and that's another thing. You'll find something that works well for you, and then, you know, your skin can change over time, and you might have to tweak a couple things. For a scrub, I use the Murad Pore Rescue Skin Smoothing Polish. I've been using this for a while. I really like this for exfoliating. I'm supposed to do that three times a week. I probably do it once a week. I need to get better about that. And mask, the Boscia Lumizing Pink Peel-Off Mask. I've been trying this out, and I like it. I think it's really good. So I use that. And then if I do have a breakout, like I don't know if you can see it or not. Well, probably not, because, you know, I can't find it right now. If I do get a breakout, I use the Proactiv Emergency Blemish Relief. It just takes a little bit of this, and it will actually dry it out, and it works really, really well. Okay, so let's go in. I've already washed my face. My toner that I use at night and in the morning is the Clinique. This is the step 2. I started out actually with the, I think, step 3, the really, you know, deep cleansing one. And now I'm on the step 2. So after I wash my face, I will use the toner, or when I wake up in the morning, I will use the toner just to get the oils out of my skin that have settled, you know, oil and dirt and stuff that have settled into it, you know, whether I'm wearing makeup or not, to clean my face off. Then I go in with the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Serum. A dermatologist turned me on to this. She said that it is an excellent retinol. And I have got to say, I've been using this for 5 years, at least. And I think pretty much right after it came out. And my fine lines and my pores are so much better after using this retinol. She said you do not have to spend $100 on retinol, that this one is a really good one. Now, some retinol creams do not have a high concentration of retinol, so you want to kind of be careful there. You know, if it's a $5 retinol cream, it's probably not got, you know, any decent amount of retinol in it that will help you. So, but this one is drugstore brand, and it is very good, and I am so glad that she turned me on to that. So after I do my retinol, I moisturize. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I love this. It's, you know, not the cheapest. It's not drugstore, but it does last a really long time, and it moisturizes like crazy. You will get baby soft skin. Some nights I don't feel like I need that much moisture, and so I will use the Aveeno Absolutely Ageless cream. This is a drugstore cream. It smells very good. I really like this too. It is, you know, naturals, active naturals is what they say, you know, but I do really like this. It does not moisturize as much as the Confidence in a Cream, but, you know, sometimes if I've just had some really bad oily times, or my skin just does not need that super hydration, I will actually use that. So in the eye cream. I almost forgot eye cream. Eye cream is very important. This is the Olay 7-in-1 eye cream. This is available, you know, drugstores, Walmart. It is tinted. So part of the 7-in-1 is to kind of give that blurring, brightening effect. But I use that under my eyes at night. So during the day, my morning, I clean my skin off with the toner, the Clinique Level 2. And then I use the Clinique Pep-Start eye cream. This is really nice. I like it. I feel like it, you know, tightens up my bags. And I just like it. It works for me. And for a moisturizer, I use the HydroBoost Water Gel SPF 15 from Neutrogena. It has got hyaluronic acid in it, but it is a gel, and so that way it's not, you know, real slippery like, you know, when I put my makeup on. I mean, it could be psychosomatic, but I feel like my makeup is better after I've used a gel cream versus a thick cream, because I don't know. I feel like that it's not that heaviness and you're putting makeup on top of it, so I really like that. And then if I'm having issues with my skin, or, you know, I need more moisture, I will switch to the Rapid Wrinkle Repair Moisturizer, also from Neutrogena. And this has an SPF of 30. I do kind of pile on the SPF on my face because that is kind of the best thing for you to do as far as, you know, wrinkle prevention, is put on SPF. So I will actually layer SPF on my face. So, and yes, you do need SPF even during the winter. So that is it, guys. You know, I'm always up for requests. Let me know if you guys want to see anything or demo anything. Let me know. Yeah, or if you have any questions, leave them down below. Alright, guys, that'll do it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And I will talk to you down in the comments section. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.